In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reply to YouTube comments using your voice. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But how do you reply to comments with your voice here on YouTube? To do this, obviously you need either the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app. And once you are in either of those, go ahead and find whatever comment it is that you might want to reply to. In this case, let's just go ahead and say that I want to reply to this comment on a super old video of mine, just like so. Go ahead and select it and then select to that comment, specifically the reply to option. And you'll notice that you'll have like a little microphone option down at the very bottom. Simply go ahead and select that and begin speaking, and it's going to put your reply on there. As you can see, it's doing my reply as I'm actually just speaking right now. From here, you can go ahead and send it, and it's not perfect, I'm not going to lie, but it is all right. You can also do this on YouTube Studio, as you can see right here. It is super duper simple. Now, if you don't have this option yet, just keep in mind. Now, if you don't have this option next, because when you do tap on it, you should kind of see the microphone icon next to the reply button. Just keep in mind that it's not out on every single platform yet, and it's not out in every single region yet either. But YouTube is expected to roll it out more widely, including possibility of it being released on the desktop in the near future, so stay tuned for that. But that is it. That is how you can reply to comments with your voice here on YouTube. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.